Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I show you guys the best BlueStacks settings for low-end PC. The video consists of 5 steps. The first step is to change the BlueStacks settings. To do this, open up BlueStacks, go to settings. In CPU allocation, I show you guys how many cores you can set in CPU allocation. To know that, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it, go to performance, and as you can see I have 4 cores in here. What that means, I only need to use 2 cores in the CPU allocation guys. Click on this drop down and select 2 cores, and I recommend using half, otherwise your PC may not have enough cores to run. To set your memory allocation, you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. As you can see, I have 16 GB of RAM, so therefore I can use up to 8 GB of RAM in memory allocation. Click on the drop down and select 8 GB. I recommend using half of your RAM guys. Select performance mode to high performance, and frame rate you can set it to 60, and select save changes and restart the BlueStack guys. After doing this, go to display. In display resolution, you just need to select the recommended resolution guys. In my case 1920 into 1080. You just need to select the recommended resolution. After that, select save changes and restart the BlueStack. After doing this, go to graphics, and you just need to turn on the preferred dedicated GPU, turn it on. After that, select save changes and restart the BlueStacks. This is the first step guys. The second step is to run a BlueStack as an administrator. To do this, you just need to right click on the BlueStack 5 and select open file location. Right click on the hdplayer.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here. The third step is to update your Windows. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your updating system up to date guys. After doing this, just close it up here. The fourth step is to update your graphics card driver. To do this, for AMD users, open the AMD Radeon software. For NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. Click on open it. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update your graphics card guys. After doing this, let's move on to the fifth step. The fifth step is to set BlueStacks to run in high performance. To do this, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. In here you need to find the BlueStacks. If BlueStacks is not available in here, then you just need to select browse. Go to local disk C, program files, BlueStacks, and you just need to scroll down hdplayer.exe, click on it and add it. In my case I already added. You just need to click on the options and select high performance and select save. After doing this, just close it off here. After doing all these steps, you can able to see the BlueStacks run more smoothly in our PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.